Hi there! In today's video, I'll walk you through just how easy it is to bring your files and folders from Dropbox into Pics.io. Whether you're sorting your digital assets or working with your team, this feature really helps keep things organized and smooth. It's especially handy when you need to gather everything from different places fast. So let's jump right into the steps. First, you'll need to connect your Dropbox account to Pics.io. Just hover over any collection in your library, click on Add Assets, and then select Import from Dropbox. A new browser tab will pop up, asking you to authorize access to your Dropbox. Once you give the required permissions, the tab will close, and you'll be back in your Pics.io library, all set to start importing. Next time you want to import, Pics.io will automatically connect to your Dropbox if you're already logged in. So, no need to go through authorization again. To bring in files or folders from Dropbox, just hover over a collection. Click Add Assets, and choose Import from Dropbox. Then, select the files or folders you need. You can even click on a folder to pick out specific files. Once you've made your selection, hit Proceed to start the upload. If you're currently on a trial plan, keep in mind that you can only import individual files, not entire folders. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks full folder imports. While your files are importing, you won't be able to interact with them until the process is complete. If something goes wrong and an import fails, you can either retry or remove the failed import and start again. If there's already a file with the same name in your library, you'll have two choices: skip the new file or replace the existing one. Note that Dropbox imports don't support adding a new file as a revision. Need to switch Dropbox accounts? No problem. Just log out of your current Dropbox account, log in with the new one, and then head back to Pics.io. After that, click Import from Dropbox again, and you'll be prompted to connect the new account. One thing to keep in mind when importing from Dropbox is how metadata is handled. Unlike importing from your device, you can't add metadata or asset details during the upload. But don't worry, you can update all that once the files are safely in your library. And that's it. That's how easy it is to import files and folders from Dropbox into Pics.io. Whether you're bringing in a few files or whole collections, this feature makes it quick and simple. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.